here's my Regency ceiling fan catalog 2012. Here's the front. This is, I think it's the Vogue. It's a Quattro. Quattro wasn't a top seller for some reason. I really like this fan. Fanimation also had that name too, but two T's. But the Quad, which is what's up here, is similar to the Quattro, but the Quattro has rounded blades and a rounded housing. Here's the Regency Quattro. This is a Regency regulator. I used to remember seeing this on the Fan Guy 21's video, and I love this. That's why I like these fans, because that's in my childhood. Regency Wexford, Regency Jada, Regency Vogue, which is what's on the front cover. Looks like it's wobbling. Regency Redmond, Regency Ava, Regency Strasbourg. Monte Carlo also had that name, and Minka Air also had that name in the 90s. Regency Florentine, Regency Ventinen, Regency Jasmine, Regency Murata. This is one of my favorites from one of my Regency favorites. Well, I used to see this in the Regency ceiling fans video, but I thought those were ugly fans at first, but now I started to like them. They're pretty rare. There's a Regency Murata Mini. It's another favorite. Well, the Regency Murata unfortunately is not a top seller for some reason. I wonder why. Maybe a lot of people think it's too European looking. It looks like a fan more for Italy. Regency Murata Tandem, Regency Murata Wall, Regency Freestar. I know Cole Semenko has one of these, and the light kit looks similar to a Monte Carlo fan too, which is the Icon. Regency Tower, nice fan. Regency Quattro. Fanimation probably had these similar finishes for the Quad, except they don't have chrome, and they do not have white, and all of our bronze is dark bronze. They're kind of phasing out all of our bronze. But the brush nickel one's probably like brush steel or something. And matte black. Fanimation Quads also has a matte black finish too. The blades in mine are matte black, and mine's chrome. Here's a Regency Trend Anti-Copper. It's one of my favorite finishes. I love anti-copper. Regency Deuce. Somebody on Ceiling Fan Kids was mentioning that some of these, that he found one in a restaurant or something. They only use them in the summer though. They only use them on high. Well, it does look cool on low. I wonder if they spin pretty slow. Well, a lot of two-blade fans tend to spin slow a lot of times because they're trying to prevent air whipping noises. Here's a Regency Deuce Hugger. Kind of two blades with the concept too. Mink Air. Regency Aquina. Regency Celsius. Regency Orbit. Regency IO. This is one of my favorites. It looks like a star. It's a really cool fan. Regency Bimini. Regency Gladiator. Oh, speaking of Regency Biminis, the hotel, Park Soleil in Orlando, Florida has 2 of them in the entrance of the desk. Back to Regency Gladiator. It's a DC Motor fan. DC Motor, I think, was introduced in 2010. Or for Fanimation, it was introduced in 2011. Regency MXXL. I like these fans because Park Soleil has one, except the MX2, not the MX3. And Subway also has the MX2s too. This is the MX3 with the uplight. Regency MXXL. MX2. This is the one that Subway has. Well, these are the common ones that are seen in Subways. Well, Regency, sadly, was sold to Hinckley. Hinckley's now carrying Regency line. And when they sold the MXXL, they renamed it XL. There's the MX. So many designer finishes. Regency Primo. This one has a really weird looking housing to it. Regency LX2. The older LX series. The blade irons are shaped like C's. Regency Envoy. Regency Coronado. Regency Lafayette. Motor only. The Mood Glow Up Lighting series. Regency Regatta. Regency Tropic Air Indoor series. Regency Grand Marquis. Oh, it's now the Decromax Unicac fans. Regency Lafayette Royale. No, Royale. Regency Lafayette. LF. Lafayette Unipack, I mean. Regency Envoy Unipack. Regency Coronado Unipack. I like this fan. Regency Marquis. Regency Countess. There's the older one. Regency Professional Series fans. There's the Professional Series Bowl Light. Regency Professional Series without the light. Regency Industrial. Regency back to the indoor outdoor fans. Regency Deuce Wet Location. You've seen that in the other page before. Regency IO. Also seen that. Also seen the Bimini. There's a Regency Cayman. Regency Tropic Air. Regency Oasis Patio. This is the older one. This is the newer one right here. Well, Deck 84 restaurant in Delray Beach had so many Oasis patios outside, but when I walked by that place, when I was going to my Nan and Granddad's place, I noticed they were removed and unfortunately replaced with like Mink Air Simples, I believe. I don't know what they replaced them with. That's because they wanted to replace them. Fanimation Islanders are still there. Regency Veracruz. This is the newer one. This is the older one. Now, the Fan Guy 21, aka Will Hall 98, back in his old channel, showed this in his camp. He was in a camp, and he took a video of all the fans. They replaced Litex, all leathers, and later they replaced them with Dayton Industrials. And I used to love watching the Fan Guy 21's videos because he used to tell very good stories of ceiling fans. I wonder what happened. I really missed that channel. Here's a Regency Cabana. Regency Patio Pro. Regency Veranda. Regency Decor Match Blades. Regency carved wood blades. There's these other carved wood blades. Oh, it looks like that blade iron's broken. Let's go in W&M if it's broken. Which, I haven't done that joke in a while. Let's go in WM, WM, WM. Regency Great Room Designer blades for like the Primo or the Gladiator. Outdoor blades, Tropic Air, the older model. K-Man. I don't know what that is. I think it's probably Tropic Air with the leaf brackets or branch brackets, I should say. Regency might have had branch brackets for the Tropic Air series. Regency wide blades. I know most wide blades like this don't do a good job moving air because they tend to cause too much drag. They tend to go a little slower. It's showing a Regency Oasis patio. Plain blades, showing a Tropic Air, just looks too generic. Decor Match blades, finishes. There's the compatibility chart, down rods. Cappuccino, I love that finish for the Regency fans. All light kits. Wet location light kits. Energy saving light kits with fluorescent bulbs. Fitters. Glass shades. Replacement switches. Regency fob. Oh, poultry knobs. They're more common with the knob, but some people put Regency fobs on them. I like them better with the Regency fobs, so I know what it is. Triple capacitor fan switch. One circuit switch. Light kit switch. Here's all the fluorescent bulbs. Halogen bulb. Another halogen bulb. Halogen bulb. Halogen bulb. Incandescent candelabras. Ceiling mount converter, slope ceiling kit, hanging system, die cast zinc blade iron, year-round comfort, ceiling height. There's the sizes. Oh look. They look like Casablanca Newport blades, which is part of the Avalon series. Here's a down rod length, wall controls, fan lights, got Regency wall control, receivers, 4-speed control, 3-speed control, 4-speed control, and a multiple fan control. Now, a lot of people say these are confusing. Well, people who don't know about these, well, there's a dorm at my school that has one of these controls that people get confused of. They always seem to put the fans on 3, and 3 is low speed, and they are incorrect. 1's high speed, and 3's low speed. The Lutron controls tends to be 1 low speed and 3 high speed, but these standard controls has to be 1 low speed, 2 medium speed, 3 high speed. No. Hold on. Regency, most of the standard controls, like those sliders or those made by Rhine, have the Lutron controls have. I'm messed up. The Lutron controls have 1B low speed and 3B high speed. Well, this is different than a Lutron control. Well, these controls are sliders, and they are made by Rhine, and 1's high speed, 2's medium speed, and 3 is low speed. And this is the exact control like the one in one of the dorms at my school. And well, it replaced the it's the ones in the Emerson Pro Series. And the Can-Arm solid state control actually was broke like last year or something. But the other Can-Arm solid state control, those 50-inch ones, still works. Regency remote control, Regency receivers, Regency transmitter, full function remote, mood goal updating, universal remote, what location transmitter and receiver, and a that location receiver for fans with fluorescent lights, non-dimmable, ceiling fan features, and stuff, specifications, light kit specifications, specifications, it's just random specifications, index, and there you have it. That's the Regency 2012 fan catalog. Thanks for watching.